and you want to make some commands not work anymore, just put them to one side for a moment, you can use a hash, which on the Mac is Alt3, and I think it's on the numbers on a Windows normal keyboard. You can comment out any parts of your program. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm deleting the hashes when I want to play something and putting them back in when I want them to go away again. So here I have replaced my play 60 with play :C4, which is exactly the same thing, but it's using the more familiar letter names that we work with all the time.